ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಊಟಿ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು 3 ನೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಊಟಿ, ಕುನೂರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೊತಗಿರಿ 3 ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಿದ್ವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೈಟ್ ನಾವು ಕೊತಗಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಾವು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಿನಾಶಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ಊಟಿ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಯಂಬತ್ತೂರು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಕೊತಗಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೊಯಂಬತ್ತೂರು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸುಮಾರಾಗಿ 8 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾವು ಕೊತಗಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇರೋ ಸ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಲಯ ನೇಚರ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ವೆಜ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅನ್ಬೋದು, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್. ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಡೌನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ?
ಡೌನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಲಯ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ?
ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಲಯ ಹೋಮ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್,
ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇದೇ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ. ಟೀ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ
ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಲಯ
ಇದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಲಯ, ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಲಯ. ರೂಮ್ ಓಕೆ. ವಾವ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಡೌನ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಟಿ ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಟಿ ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದು, ಟ್ರಾಂಪಲಿನ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮದು ರೂಮ್. ಇದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ರೂಮ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಿಟ್ಔಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬೆಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಬ್ರು ಮಲ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ಸೋಫಾ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಬಂದು ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಇದೆ. 3 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಗನ ಮಲ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ. ಇದು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫೈರ್ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಶವರ್ ಜೆಲ್, ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಬಕೆಟ್, ಶವರ್,
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಶ್, ಇದು ಲೆಮನ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಮತ್ತು ಶವರ್ ಜೆಲ್ಲು.
Hi, Arun. So,
Hi.
just tell me about what is Prakritilaya, nature stay, and like just a brief about like how many rooms are there, how many people can stay in one night or something like that. Whatever you want to.
Sure, definitely. So, Namaskaram. So, my name is Arun and I run this firm called Prakritilaya Nature Homes. So, this is actually a dream project of mine since my 10th standard, where I wanted to establish, a homestay which is completely sustainable. And here we focus on zero waste tourism. So, the idea is to communicate a message to travelers about responsible tourism. So
Yeah.
that is what we do here. So this is a homestay which is been converted into a homestay. It was a house built in 1905.
Oh,
So it's
wow.
a heritage bungalow.
It's more than 100 years now.
It's more than 100 years old. So we've restored this building to its old glory, and we've got about 4 rooms here.
Mhm.
So there's one premium suite, a luxury suite, and a family suite.
Okay.
So I can accommodate a maximum of up to 16 people here, give or take.
Okay.
And the concept is we serve 100% vegetarian food. I don't allow alcohol inside the premises.
Hmm.
And we focus on education for children specifically here. So we grow our vegetables here. We've got a small organic farm.
Okay.
So we involve guests who come with children in vegetable planting or harvesting.
Mhm.
And I take them on walks and treks explaining them about the biodiversity and
Okay.
how you can go on a zero waste lifestyle. So it's basically an awareness creating center. So that's what we want to do. And we want to see, the thing about Prakritilaya is, I firmly believe that the next generation of children, they don't have good water, they don't have good soil. The food we eat is mostly contaminated with a lot of preservatives,
Chemicals.
chemicals, and there's a lot. So with the air we breathe is not pure. So see, we send them to schools, they get educated, we make money, but ultimately the point is to eat good food, to have a nice sleep, to breathe good air, which we don't have for the next generation.
Yeah.
So what is the point of doing all this?
Correct.
So this is a message which we try to convey with various activities in Prakriti.
Mhm.
So that's in brief what we do.
Okay. And something you told us like regarding that hand wash and you will prepare.
Yes, so as part of our efforts to go zero waste, a couple of things which we have eliminated is we don't provide packeted soaps. We have handmade natural soap liquids and hand wash.
Mhm.
I've replaced tea bags with tea infusers. I can show you a sample of what it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I don't buy packeted milk. We buy fresh milk from the local milk vendor. My kitchen is where my concentration is.
Mhm.
We make our own jams, our own pickles, which is all coming in stainless steel containers. Our masalas like coriander powder, chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, all of this is homemade. My mother makes it at home.
Okay,
And
nice.
we bring it in stainless steel containers. So we eliminate plastics wherever possible. So we've got a farm in Trichy. So this farm in Trichy, where we bring our own organic rice, the coconut, the oil like coconut oil, gingerly oil, groundnut oil. All of this comes in tins.
Okay.
So if you see, I'm very calculative as to see. The thing is, why we are doing this is, we are all talking about waste management, but I think about first eliminating waste. Because waste management is after you generate.
Yeah.
So first stop generating. So that's the idea behind this. So we're trying to go zero waste. And zero waste, they say, is a journey. You never stop.
Correct.
And in today's world, going zero waste is the biggest challenge in a commercial establishment. But we are trying our best.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. And okay. And you want to show that tea, this one,
sure.
right?
I'll just show you the. You can cut it and the tea infuser. See, you add the tea leaves to this and then you close this. So this is a food grade silica. It doesn't react with hot water, and these are stainless steel cups. So all that you need to do is heat water in the kettle, just put it in and then pour water. So this is an alternative for a tea bag.
Instead of tea bag, we can
We've
use
kept
that.
the tea infusers. The reason is the tea bags, they say they're lined with plastics, and when you dip them in hot water, it melts into microplastics.
Okay.
So 2 things. You first have plastic water, not tea. And another thing is that bag is always going to be there in the soil forever.
Mm-hmm.
It will never decompose.
Okay.
It will break into microplastic. So this solves the purpose. And the leftover tea leaves, once you're done using, what we request guests is to find a pot in the veranda and use it as a manure.
Okay.
So as a guest also, you don't generate any waste here. And you see, we don't have sachets. It's all glass containers. We've got tea in glass containers, coffee powder, sugar and milk powder. So I don't have any sachets here.
Okay.
And in bathroom also they don't use.
He already explained. Okay, yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತಿತ್ತದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಹೊಡಿತೀವಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ದಾಗೆ. ಹಾಂ,
ಪೆನಲ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನೀ ಗೋಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೀ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಾ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊಡಿತೀವಿ ಗೋಲ್ ನೀನು?
ಒಂದೇ.
ಆಯ್ತು
ಗೋಲ್. It is called iPhone, honey.
ಈ ನಾವು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹತ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬೈಸನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು.
ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇದು ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಜಾಮ,
ಎರಡು
ಇವೆರಡು ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಜಾಮು. ಇದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್, ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಬೆರಿ.